Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how to make these Christmas stars. Okay. So in this I have used 14 to 16 pieces which you get from the square sheet of paper. So you take any size square sheet of paper, but here in my video I have taken 8 centimeter square sheet. Okay. So which I got from my 16 centimeter sheet. So I cut 4 pieces of this sheet, and so that means I had to take 3 16 centimeter papers, and then I got 16 square sheets of that. So I'm gonna show how to make these pieces by using this square sheet. So first I'm gonna divide paper diagonally, okay, both ways, this way and this way. So divide paper into half diagonally from both sides. Then all the corners you have to join to the center and fold. Now I'm going to fold. So basically, yeah, so I'm folding this side to the center line, okay, center diagonal, and this one to this center line. So once you got this, I'm gonna just make the temporary fold, which I'm gonna turn towards opposite, outwards, and then turn it, flip it over, and then fold like this here. So like this you need to make 16 pieces. So I'll show you one more time with the red sheet. Fold paper diagonally, and then join to the center, side to the center line, and fold outwards, and then fold like this. So once you got the pieces, what you're gonna do is you have to insert these two corners in these two pockets. You can clearly see there are two pockets here. So when you fold like this, you get two pockets, two sockets. So you put these 2 points inside this to fix it, and repeat the pattern. So to show you, I got this. So I'm gonna just okay. So join all these pieces. Once you get 16 pieces, join all the pieces, insert all the pieces in these sockets, and then you see, once you join all the pieces together, okay, so I had extra pieces over here, so I added those, so this makes like 18. So I'm gonna remove those 2 pieces. That makes 16. See, let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, so because I had extra 2 papers and I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so now I got this. So if you add more pieces, the circle is going to increase. This circle is going to increase. So if you see this, these are 14 pieces, and this is 16 pieces. In 16 pieces, it actually holds all these pieces nicely, but in 14 pieces, it's little loose when you actually, move it much. So it's best way to just stick all them together by putting some paper over here or some glue, or if you want to paste it on the wall directly like this, that's also good. But if you don't, make sure all these are stuck inside. So when you insert the pieces inside, put some glue and then insert, so it will all be fixed at the same time. And then you can hang it like this to make a lantern, or even you can use it for, on your Christmas decoration, on even on the Christmas tree. So you can use so many, there are so many applications, right, you can think of. I was also thinking, if I make a small model, I can actually use it like a earring, so that is also a very good idea. So let me know how you're using this in your Christmas decoration or any decoration that you are doing. Let me know how you're using it. And in the comment section, definitely add the comment. Once, if you make this, let me know your experience, how it was to make. Was it easy to follow my steps and video? And also, if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. If you are like watching my video first time, I would suggest check out all my videos in my channel and let me know your comments in the comment section. And don't forget to like this video if you like, and also subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to do it. Subscribe right now. That will also help me to grow more and bring more videos and even grow bigger. I can even increase the budget of my videos and make more videos. So please support. I'm gonna bring more and more videos in future, so keep stay tuned. And happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year. Bye bye. See you in the next video.